Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the app icon size on Android. Now, on your Android phone, you might find that the apps in the app drawer or the app home screen are really small. Let's change that by swiping up and finding the settings icon. So just hop into the settings. And now from the settings, we're going to scroll down until you get to the option that says home screen and tap on that. There are a number of different things you can do to change that app size. You can see at the top is just app size. I can swipe that all the way over to the right, and you'll be able to see they're a bit bigger. However, there are other things we can do to make them even bigger. So let's go back into the settings. One thing you can do is turn off app labels. You'll be able to see if I turn off those labels, it makes those apps bigger. However, the downside, of course, is that they're no longer labels and you'll just need to visually recognize them. Now, the last thing we can do to make them even bigger is go to the home screen grid here. You can see 5x6 makes the apps a bit smaller, whereas over to the left, 4x6 makes them bigger. So I can hit done, and I can do the same thing for app screen grid. Switch this to 4x6 and hit done. I'll show you what this looks like. You can see the apps are quite a bit bigger. And if I swipe up to the app drawer, they're also quite a bit bigger. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.